Running a wallet that feels like it's hanging on by a thread? Yeah, it's probably time to fix that the right way. No rush, I'm here to guide you through it all, step by step. The quiet adjustments tend to matter most, and honestly, a lot of people don't even spot them coming. Thinking of dropping that one meme coin that could flip everything in your wallet overnight? Then stay locked in. I'm laying out my full method, start to finish. No extra talk, only what works. And yeah, you've got to move quick. These openings disappear fast. Just to put things in context, Pump Fund's been a mess recently. It's flooded with throwaway projects, and anything actually worth your attention pretty much vanished. Most of the seasoned folks have already dipped out. Right now, it's mostly newcomers blindly throwing cash into the mix. If you know what you're doing, it might be time to pause and watch. There's a non-stop wave of meme coin launches happening lately, and yeah, it's a madhouse out there. The key is knowing how to give your coin that spark, so it grabs attention instead of fading into the background noise. Forget luck. It's time to actually play with a strategy. Radium is the spot where the real moves are happening. Once you stack it up next to Pump Fund, you'll see the difference instantly. It's more efficient, more aggressive, and way better tuned. And those massive drops? They're not disasters, they're openings. I'll teach you how to ride them smart. With things settling down a little, this might be your shot to get your token moving. We're seeing coins take off everywhere right now, but if you try to dive in without knowing a thing about coding, you're setting yourself up for trouble. You don't need to be a coder anymore. Launchtool.io makes the whole Radium launch process a breeze. That's what makes it a game changer. It gives everyone a shot, whether you've coded before or not. The old complicated methods, not even a factor anymore. Let's get straight to it. The first step? Make your token look like something people won't forget. Open Canva and make a new file size 128 by 128. Pick out a meme that's ridiculous, clever, or just straight up meme-worthy. I threw in that AI Tim Cheese pic that went viral. It's gold. Drop it in the middle, download it, and now your token's got a face. The next step, go to Launchtool and link your Phantom wallet. It's super quick. Enter your token's name. I'm calling mine Tim Cheese, and the symbol will be cheese. Got a clever meme or phrase? Drop it in the description box. Upload the logo you made earlier. Click Next, and you're already halfway to launching. Next up, dive into the tokenomics part. This setup has worked over and over. It's a classic for good reason. Set your total supply to 1 billion tokens. That's usually just right for meme coins. Confirm it, hit Next, and you're still moving in the right direction. Now you'll come to Creator Setup. They'll ask if you want to pay 0.1 Solana to unlock more features. It's not a must, you can easily pass on it. Save your Solana for the next steps down the road. Next up is the social media page. Pop in your website, Twitter, or any other links you have. Honestly, Radium's platform does more for visibility at the start than trying to hype a fresh social account. If your socials are active, drop them in. I held off because mine weren't ready. Pay close attention. This step lets you pick how much control you hold once your token goes live. There are 3 settings here, and flipping any could cause buyers to get suspicious. Enabling freeze makes people worry about wallet locks. If minting remains on, it looks like you'll keep making tokens. And leaving update access enabled hints the token can be changed later. So here's what you do. Don't change anything. Just press Launch My Token Now. At this point, Phantom will send you a confirmation request, just routine stuff. Click Approve on each, and your token goes live on the blockchain. Feels great, doesn't it? These are the moments that make the grind worth it. Now that your token's live, here's what's next. Click the last button on Launchtool to open Solscan and check everything out. The contract's all set and permanently locked. After this, the liquidity pool setup comes next. That's when your token starts gaining real traction. Let's set up your liquidity now. Without it, your token won't move. Open Launchtool again and select the second option to access Radium's liquidity dashboard. Connect your Phantom wallet. It usually connects automatically, but if not, just click the Connect button. You'll need your token address, which you can get from Launchtool's first tab or Solscan. I usually go with Launchtool. Paste it in, enter your token's name and symbol. Mine's Cheese and Tim Cheese. Click Add User Token, and your full billion tokens will show up in the dropdown. Start by adding 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool to get things rolling. Make sure Solana is selected as the quote token. It really matters. Toss in some Solana too. Somewhere between 0.4 and 2 is a good range. Don't forget to keep around 0.2 Solana reserved for fees. Finally, set the fee tier to 2% to keep trading steady. Feel free to adjust the fee tier if you want. 2% is the default and usually works great, but you can experiment with 1% or even 0.5% if you're interested. Pick whatever suits your game plan. When you're ready, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the Phantom prompt, and your liquidity pool will be ready to go. Pause for a second and open Phantom to confirm the Radium filter is active. If it's not, flip the switch so your token shows up like it should. Launching on Radium gives us a solid edge over Pump Fun. There's a wave of traders scanning for fresh drops every day. Let's keep this momentum going. Ready to watch your token in action? Copy its token address from Solskin or Launch Tool, whichever you prefer. Head over to Deck Screener, pick any token, and replace the address in the URL with your own. That's it. Your live chart is up and running. You may see some strange bot trades at the start, but if the graph moves up, it's a good sign of genuine interest. Next up is another key step. When you want to check your liquidity, head to Radium and click on the Portfolio tab. Switch it to Standard View. If you don't see anything right away, no worries. It can take up to 15 minutes to show up. That's just how Radium works. Give it a little time, and it'll appear. Now, let's go back and see how the chart is doing. 8 minutes have passed, and things are heating up. We've had 3 notable buys so far, $33, $55, and $71, which together give us 1 Solana. That's a strong beginning, and it'll be interesting to see how it unfolds from here. At the 13-minute mark, a $90 buy just came through, and that one really launched the chart upward. It may have been short, but I'm feeling good about the results. Now let's plan our exit. Stay locked in. Time to grab your rewards. Check that your Phantom wallet is connected. If it isn't, just press the connect icon. Change to Standard View, spot your liquidity position, and click the minus button. And there you go, your withdrawal's ready. Push the slider fully to the right to reach 100%. This means you're pulling out the entire amount. The Solana value you see is what you'll get. After that, press Remove Liquidity, approve the Phantom pop-up, and it's all set. The process completes itself from there. If you want to crank up your crypto profits fast, this method is the way to go. 90% of the tokens take off right after launch when done like this. We witnessed results in minutes, and with some extra hustle or better focus, you can push it higher still. Early movers get the biggest wins. Latecomers, they're stuck chasing leftovers. Lock in your plan and move fast. Timing's the key. Meet me at the summit.